To transfer money using the Citibank app, start by opening the app and logging in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon and select the transfer option from the list of available options. You will then be prompted to choose the type of transfer you want to make, such as a transfer to another Citibank account, a transfer to an account at another bank, or a transfer to a payee you have already set up. If you are transferring to another Citibank account, you will need to enter the recipient's account number and the amount you want to transfer. If you are transferring to an account at another bank, you will need to enter the recipient's account number and routing number, as well as the amount you want to transfer. For transfers to accounts at other banks, you may also need to enter additional information such as the recipient's name and address. Once you have entered all the required information, review the transfer details to make sure everything is correct. Then tap the Confirm button to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer has been processed, and the recipient will receive the funds according to the processing schedule of their bank. It is a good idea to set up payees in advance to make transfers easier and faster. To do this, go to the Payee Management section of the app and add the recipient's account information. You can also set up recurring transfers to make regular payments, such as bill payments or transfers to a savings account. When using the Citibank app to transfer money, make sure to use a secure internet connection and keep your login credentials confidential to protect your account from unauthorized access. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits and fees that may apply to your account, and plan your transfers accordingly.